of you
abanye benu
are gonna get visitation from God.
bayothola ukuvakashelwa
Where He's
uNkulunkulu
telling you that caution this thing.
la ekutshela ukuthi
Because you are holding too much to it.
ngosibambelele kakhulu
You are
kuyo
saying I have too much history with this thing.
uthi wena nginemuva
To
kakhulu
let
nalento
go of it.
ukuthi ngingaliyeka.
You know, sometimes when we say it,
Kwesinye isikhathi masikusho
it might not carry the same power.
mhlawumbe kunamandla
But
kakhulu
we are in the last days.
kodwa siseyinsukwini
But the Lord
zokugcina
will come himself
la inkosi yoyizela
and
yona
He will say, I am telling you.
ithi ngiyakutshela
Yes, you can hide it from Umama Mfundisi.
ungakufihla
Yes, you can
kungamufundisi
hide it from Umama Mfundisi.
ungakufihla
But there is
kwamufundisi
a God in heaven.
kodwa kunonkulunkulu ezulwini
Everything is exposed.
la kubonakala konke yonke
That's the same
into
God.
yilowo nkulunkulu
As much as we want Him to protect us,
noma sifuna ukuthi
we must
asivikele
also allow Him to correct us.
kumele simvumele ukuthi asilungise
Because we want to have promises from God.
ngoba sifuna iy'thembiso ey'ngaphelele
When
kunkulunkulu
He gives us things,
la esinika khona
but
izinto
when He corrects our cause,
kodwa ma
we're
esilungisa
like, no, I can't.
asifuni ukwenza
Go and correct cause.
hambe uyolungisa ubusuku
You're going to have many problems.
uzoba ney'nkinga ey'ningi
Because Ishmael and Isaac
ngoba uishibelo isaka
are in the same vicinity.
basendaweni efanayo
Ikrashi yakho nesithandwa sakho
umuntu
sisendaweni eyodwa ke manje.
bakhona
Udide izinto-ke manje.
amen
Sometimes when we put it in Bible context,
masikhuluma ngokwebhayibheli
we think it doesn't touch us.
sazi ukuthi ayisithindi thina
Oh, because you know there are people
kunabantu